the shot classes is up to your anyway. I love these guys. I told you all they were loud. People behind me were like, oh, those were really loud. I told you before we started. So because I know y'all probably couldn't hear me very good there because they came up to the line. Backdraft, Steve Shaw in the left lane out of Canada there, and then Ned Bradenberg out in Eat-N-Ramen on the right. I'll have the times here in just a moment. Oh, there they are. All right, times there, guys. Left lane, 2.4983. Backdraft, 2.4983. And in the right, Eat-N-Ramen, 2.7207.